All right, how is Bitcoin on the internet going up and down in price, like the supply and demand? Like, how is this going? How is it happening?
So what's happening right now is a lot of people are just now finding out about Bitcoin, or they knew about it a month ago, thought everybody was crazy, and then realized that it's gone up from 5,000, 6,000 to 16, 17, 18, whatever it was. I couldn't even get an accurate number today because the exchange that I get my accurate number from crashed, to give you an idea of how crazy it is right now. So what determines a Bitcoin value, or what determines any type of cryptocurrency value, is two factors. How many coins are out in the active system, and how much people have paid for those coins, or how much money has been raised associated with those coins. So let's say you raise $1 and you have one coin, your coin is worth $1. But if you have 10 coins and you raise $1, your coin is worth 10 cents. And I think everybody that's watching this video can understand that. So at that point, why Bitcoin is raising up in so much value is because over the last like 3 or 4 weeks, we've seen a near double in market cap. We've seen it go from the mid 200 billions into the, I think the last time I looked today was 425 billion. 425 billion. I watched a presentation last night that said Amazon was in the high threes. Saying, this is the future right here, people. That's how the value is determined. How many coins are out in the system versus how much money's been brought in. So that could be Coinbase bringing in new acquisitions. That could be exchanges allowing people to change coins into that. Let's say you've got Civic Coin or Litecoin or Ethereum and you want to change it into Bitcoin. Well, that's going to affect the value because you're now taking what is a determined currency and changing it from one cryptocurrency to another. Another interesting thing is you can always track that to the BTC dominance on CoinMarketCap, and you can see how much of the market is dominated by Bitcoin. Why is this important? New money. Okay, so here's the thing. Right now, BTC dominance is at 58, 60, it's up there. It's higher than it normally should be. That means that new money's coming into the system, they're buying into the Bitcoin buzzword, but they don't actually know what the cryptocurrency market is. Once they start learning, they say, hey Bob, at work, I just bought Bitcoin. And he goes, oh, do you have Ethereum? Oh, are you in altcoins? Do you have Civic? Do you know about IOTA? All these different coins that are out there. Now the BTC dominance drops. The market cap doesn't drop because the market cap is still at 425 billion. But the BTC dominance, meaning the money from Bitcoin, moves into the altcoins. That's another way that the value is determined.
Oh. Bitcoin is going, and how to flip ICOs like Coincierge Club.
Okay, so first
and
of all,
make money and not be scammed.
First of all, you guys need to realize that Bitcoin is a dinosaur. Bitcoin is a buzzword, and a lot of people are buying it because it's a hot new thing in 2017. In reality, it can only process 7 transactions per second and will never be the accepted worldwide currency that everybody wants it to be. But it's making great traction for other currencies that are out there. And what he's saying is you want to look at the ICO market. What the ICO market means is it's tech companies that are looking to build up their development funds by raising funds through an initial coin offering. So what they're going to do is they're going to say, hey, we think our coin's going to be worth this. We're going to give it to you for like a 70 to 90% discount because you believe in us. We don't have a product yet. We have a concept. Maybe we're in dev. Maybe we have a beta. And this isn't my company in particular. I'm just using generalizations. But you believe in that product, and that's why you give them 7 cents on the dollar, 10 cents on the dollar, 20 cents on the dollar. Because you know the technology behind it is going to be successful. Decentralized internet, lending without FICO scores, those are things that are going to change the world. Those are things that are going to take third world countries and make them first world countries. So
you think basically getting in early.
If you can get in early into the right technology, because again, that's what you're doing. You're buying technology. You're buying into the dev team, you're buying into the concept, and you're buying into the fact that it's actually going to roll out and be something that people are going to use. You're basically sitting in front of a pitch table 60 years ago when credit card companies were trying to sell people on the concept of having credit in a card. Okay?
What about Coincierge Club? Like what do you guys do?
And that's why I said not us, because with Coincierge Club, we've already gone through our pre-ICO. We did great. We did 7 cent coins, 7 cents on the dollar. We did great. We raised up dev money to be able to buy a server. We were able to pay for a developer to come on board, which is better than me because I know, enough about developing to get us to where we were at, but I wasn't able to take us to where we needed to go. Now with Michael Hugh, that guy's Yoda when it comes to coding. His daytime job is to keep the United States Department of Defense's website secure. So when I brought him in, he was able to build out all the XML files, he was able to do all the Java to get our Android application on the phone to work properly. So we actually have an application, we actually have a wallet, and we have a decentralized exchange that'll allow any business that accepts our cryptocurrency application to accept any cryptocurrency on the market. Thanks, man.
Boom. Good info. What are you in right now?
So I actually hold a few different wallets, and in my Exodus wallet right now, I hold Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Civic, Ethereum, and Litecoin. On that Ethereum ERC20 wallet, I also hold Kitcoin, I hold RCCC coin, and I hold Divx coin through the ERC20 wallet that I put through my Ether wallet. I also have a Faucet Hub wallet that holds Bitcoin in from when I ran my Faucet, and then I also have a Waves account. Now in that Waves account, I hold Waves, and I got some Waves Desk, and I also got something called Waves Community. On top of that, it's really cool because these guys from SXAX gave me some of their coin for free. I guess they wanted me to promote it or see if it was valuable or trade it. So here I am, mentioning it because thanks guys for the free coin. But that pretty much covers my wallets and my coins that I hold.
Nice. Well,